Hello everyone, myself Ketan Chandrakant Shinde. Again welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Vibes. Before starting our videos, please subscribe our channel to get upcoming videos notification, and please see this video up to the end to clear all the topics related to these videos. So let we start. Our today's topic is introduction about pharmacopoeias. So first of all, what is meant by pharmacopoeias? Pharmacopoeia, the term pharmacopoeia, which are come from the Greek word pharmakon. Pharmakon means drug and poien means to make, and the combination of any recipe or the formula or other standard required to make or prepare a drug. Pharmacopoeia is defined as the comprehensive book which is issued under the authority of government and contain a list of drugs and formula used for medicinal preparation with description and the test for those substances and the standard to which they must conform. Simply फार्माकोपिया म्हणजेच काय, तर त्याला आपण मराठीमध्ये औषधी कोश असेही म्हणू शकतो. राईट. याच्यामध्ये औषधे व त्यांचा उपयोग यावरील अधिकृत पुस्तक जे गव्हर्नमेंटनी ठरवून दिलेलं आहे ते म्हणजे काय, तर फार्माकोपिया. मग फार्माकोपियाची गरज का आहे? व्हॉट इज द नीड ऑफ फार्माकोपिया? फार्माकोपिया आर नेसेसरी बिकॉज इट गिव्स a complete information about the drug. राईट. का गरज आहे? कारण फार्माकोपिया हे औषधांची पूर्णपणे माहिती देतं. मग त्याच्यामध्ये त्याचं मॉलिक्युलर वेट, फॉर्म्युला, आयडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट, स्टँडर्ड, ॲसे प्रिपरेशन एक्सेट्रा. राईट. दिस इज इन शॉर्ट द फार्माकोपिया. सो there are some pharmacopoeias and the official books are used in the Indias like Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, European Pharmacopoeia, International Pharmacopoeia, Japanese Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmaceutical Codex, Merck Index, British National Formulary, United States National Formulary, United States Dispensary, and Indian Pharmaceutical Codex. These all are the pharmacopoeias and official books are used in the Indias. So next point in this video is content of pharmacopoeia. So मग pharmacopoeia मध्ये काय असतं? It is divided into two parts like a monograph and appendices. Monograph means the detailed study of drug with reference to the title, synonyms, preparation, storage, category, and official preparation. Right? It give one by one like a main title, then synonyms, then chemical formula, then category, then dose, then description, then solubility, then standard, then identification and test for purity, which are given in the monograph. Then second part is the appendices. Appendices mean an item of additional material added at the end of the books or other publication. Right? Additional जे काही असेल, जे माहिती एक प्रकारे ती काय केली जाते, तर फार्माकोपियाच्या एंडला, त्या बुकच्या एंडला ती जोडली जाते. त्याला काय म्हणतात? अपेंडायसिस. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द हिस्ट्री. मग फार्माकोपियाची हिस्ट्री काय आहे? राईट. The term pharmacopoeia was first used in 1580 in a book on drug standard printed in Bergamo, Italy. पहिल्यांदा फार्माकोपिया हा वर्ड कधी यूज झाला, तर 1580 मध्ये 1580. राईट. बर्गॅमो इटली मध्ये एक स्टँडर्ड बुक प्रिंट केलं गेलं, त्याच्यामध्ये ही पहिल्यांदा टर्म यूज केली गेली. द फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ what is now known as the British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1864 and was one of the first attempt to harmonize the pharmaceutical standard through the merger of the London, Edinburgh and Dublin Pharmacopoeia. Right? After the number of national pharmacopoeias were published by the European pharmacopoeias, like the London, Edinburgh, Dublin, right? The pharmacopoeias were official throughout the kingdom. Each pharmacopoeias describe a different strain and method of preparation for the same preparation. Hence, there was a lot of confusion in a public. So that to overcome this difficulty, the first British pharmacopoeia came into existence in 1864. Right? The first British pharmacopoeia was published in 1864. Then, in United States, the first pharmacopoeia was published in December 1820, both in English and in Latin language. The first pharmacopoeia was published in December 1820, United States, US, both English and Latin. Later on, the national formulary was also published in addition to the United States Pharmacopoeia. The first international pharmacopoeia was published by the World Health Organization in 1951. The first volume was published in 1951 and second volume was published in 1955. The object of this was to provide a uniform list which would avoid the confusion caused by the different national standard, strength and name, especially for the use of travelers who might need to use the same prescription in different countries. This is the history of the World Pharmacopoeia. Then next is the history of Indian Pharmacopoeia. The government of India in 1944 directed the Drug Technical Advisory Board to list the drugs used in India which are not published in British Pharmacopoeia. To that, which are not mentioned in British Pharmacopoeia, and also recommended the standard to be prescribed to maintain a uniformity and the chemical test to be used to establish identity and purity. To that effect, the government of India published the first Indian Pharmacopoeia list in 1946 as a supplement to the British Pharmacopoeia. Right? Then, the Indian Pharmacopoeia list contained about 180 monographs and number of appendices prepared on the lines of British Pharmacopoeia. Approximately the 100 monographs were on vegetable drugs growing in India and on their galanicals. The Pharmaceutical and Drug Research Committee of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research decided in February 1947 to compile a brochure to highlight the information and clinical uses of important indigenous drugs of India. Right? The Pharmaceutical and Drug Research Committee ने काय केलं तर एक सायंटिफिक अँड इंडस्ट्रियल रिसर्च त्यांनी काय केलं तर फेब्रुवारी 1947 ला एक ब्राउचर कंपाइल केलं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये हायलाइट केलं ड्रगची इन्फॉर्मेशन आणि त्यांचे क्लिनिकल यूज जे काही इंडियामध्ये यूज होतात. राईट? त्याच्यानंतर लेटर ऑन इट वॉज डिसाइडेड टू प्रिपेअर अ कोडेक्स. मग त्याने परत ठरवले की कोडेक्स तयार करायचं. अँड द फर्स्ट इंडियन फार्मास्युटिकल कोडेक्स वॉज पब्लिश इन 1953 इन 2 पार्ट्स. राईट? फर्स्ट इंडियन फार्मास्युटिकल कोडेक्स 2 पार्ट मध्ये पब्लिश झाला 1953 ला. द फर्स्ट पार्ट carried about 190 general monograph on natural product and the drug of vegetable and animal origin and a few chemicals. त्याच्यामध्ये एका पार्ट मध्ये 190 जनरल मोनोग्राफ होते जे नॅचरल प्रॉडक्ट आणि त्याच्या व्हेजिटेबल ओरिजिन वरती आणि काही केमिकल्स होते. आणि सेकंड पार्ट मध्ये फॉर्म्युलरी ऑफ गॅलॅनिकल्स अँड अदर प्रिपरेशन. त्याच्यामध्ये गॅलॅनिकल्सची लिस्ट आणि त्याचे प्रिपरेशन एवढं फर्स्ट इंडियन फार्मास्युटिकल कोडेक्स मध्ये अवेलेबल होतं. आफ्टर द पब्लिकेशन ऑफ इंडियन फार्माकोपियल लिस्ट, द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूट इंडियन फार्माकोपियल कमिटी इन 1948 in compiling the monograph of first pharmacopoeia of India. The help was taken from the British Pharmacopoeia, the United States Pharmacopoeia and the International Pharmacopoeia from the scientific institution interested in drugs and pharmaceutical product, and the first edition of Pharmacopoeia of India was published in 1955. This is the history of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then another point is the publication history of Indian Pharmacopoeia. There are mainly 8 editions. Till date, the 8 editions are published in a different year. Like the first edition was published in 1955, and also published a supplement for first Indian Pharmacopoeia in 1960. Then second edition was published in 1966, and supplement was published in 1975. Then the third edition was published in 1985 with addendum in 1989 and addendum in 1991. The fourth edition was published in 1996 with addendum 2000, wet supplement 2000, addendum 2002, addendum 2005. Then fifth edition was published in 2007 with addendum published was in 2008. The sixth edition was published in 2010, and the addendum was published in 2012. The seventh edition was published in 2014, and the addendum was published in 2015, and second addendum was published in 2016. And the latest Indian Pharmacopoeia, the 8th edition, was published in 2018. This is the recent edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia. This is about the history of the publication, history of Indian Pharmacopoeia. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Pharma Vibes. Thank you very much.